Understanding the bandsaw blade weld. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of both language and machinery: the meaning behind the phrase, bandsaw blade weld. This might seem like a technical topic at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple parts that are easy to understand. Whether you're a language learner, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious, this explanation is for you. Bandsaw blade weld is made up of three key components, and understanding each part is crucial for grasping the whole concept. Bandsaw. This is a type of saw that consists of a band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels to cut material. It is commonly used in woodworking, metalworking, and for cutting a variety of other materials. Blade. In this context, the blade refers to the toothed band itself. This is the part of the saw that does the cutting, made from a long strip of metal that has teeth on one edge. Weld. To weld means to join two pieces of material together by heating the surfaces to the point of melting and then pressing them together. When it comes to a bandsaw blade, welding is the process used to join the ends of the band together to form a continuous loop that can rotate around the wheels of the bandsaw. Welding a bandsaw blade is a critical process because it allows for the continuous use of the bandsaw. A well-done weld ensures that the blade functions efficiently, providing smooth and precise cuts. Additionally, understanding how to weld a bandsaw blade can be useful for those who need to replace blades often or who wish to customize the length of their blades for specific projects. Quality of weld. The strength and durability of the weld are vital. A poor weld can lead to the blade breaking or not cutting correctly, which can be dangerous and costly. DIY maintenance. For enthusiasts and professionals alike, knowing how to weld a bandsaw blade is a valuable skill. It can save money and increase the versatility of the bandsaw. While the actual welding process can be complex and requires specific tools and skills, it's interesting to note the steps involved. 1. Preparation. Cleaning the ends of the blade to be welded, ensuring they are free from any dirt or oil. 2. Alignment. The ends of the blade must be perfectly aligned to ensure a straight and strong weld. 3. Welding. Applying heat and pressure to the ends of the blade to join them together. 4. Annealing. Heating the welded area and then slowly cooling it to relieve stresses and prevent the weld from breaking. 5. Finishing. Grinding and polishing the welded joint to ensure it is smooth and will not catch or tear the material being cut. I hope this breakdown has helped clarify what bandsaw blade weld means and why it's important in both the context of machinery and learning English. Remember, tackling complex phrases by breaking them down into their components can make learning a new language much more manageable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy learning!